Alright, we have 7-5, solving two-step inequalities. Just when you think it could not get any more fun to solve two-step equations, we can have two-step inequalities, which is, again, you're going to follow the same steps, but we are going to have an inequality sign, which means we will have to do some super fun graphing. Now, if you don't really remember graphing inequalities, you will want to reference back to Chapter 2 and how we would graph for those, because that will be a part of today's practice problems. Anyway, like I said, it's the same as when we solve one-step inequalities. What I can do is either solve it like I normally would and leave my inequality sign in, or I can substitute it with an equal sign and then at the end plug back in my inequality sign. It's up to you. So my first question is, what's happening to my variable? I've got multiplication here, got subtraction here. Start with my addition subtraction because I'm working backwards. Add 3 to both sides. Got 2y. Minus 3 plus 3 cancels out, equals negative 5 plus 3 should be a negative 2. Opposite of multiplying by 2 to both sides would be to divide 2 to both sides. I've got y equals negative 2 over 2, which is the same as a negative 1. Now again, I go back into my original problem and plug back in my inequality sign. So y is less than or equal to that negative 1. Now then I ask myself, did I multiply or divide by a negative number? I worked with a negative number, but I did not multiply or divide by a negative number to both sides, so this sign does not change. I can go down here to graph, move this whiteboard a little bit more, there you go. And I've got a closed dot at negative 1, and my line's going this way.